It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas season. Welcome to my Christmas series. Welcome to Bake with Chini Christmas special. My kitchen smells like Christmas already, and I intend to make yours smell like one too. If you love your Christmas traditional, if you like it new, if you like it borrowed, new and old mixed together, then I got you covered with all the amazing Christmas recipe. Why not subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all this amazing Christmas special? And let's get straight into the video. Hey food lovers, so it's time to go straight down to the Middle East. I'll be taking you down the Middle East with this super delicious shawarma recipe. So guys, shawarma is actually the way the meat is prepared to make a shawarma meal, and in the series of my Christmas special, I'll show you how to make a proper Middle Eastern shawarma meal. So right now we're just gonna prepare the chicken that's gonna do the magic. Yeah, and I have all my spice. I'm just gonna like infuse them into the chicken by rubbing them thoroughly, and that's it. So guys, don't forget the measurement for this recipe is in the description box. Please don't want to check it out. So guys, if you're looking forward to having a brand new recipe for your Christmas this season, you are absolutely gonna love this Christmas series, this two-part Christmas series. So I'm gonna take you to the Middle East and show you how they dine, how they wine, and how they have fun with their food. So I love the rich spices of the Middle Eastern cuisine, and I just infuse that into this recipe. You are absolutely gonna love it. So we just drizzle some oil into the chicken and glaze the chicken with the oil. So it's good to season in two parts. You go first with your spice rub, and then you glaze with the oil. And we're gonna send this in the oven to bake for like 40 to 45 minutes. And it's ready. It's ready, guys. Can you see how beautifully gorgeous this chicken is? I love the beautiful golden brown color. It's so yummy. And for my next video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most beautifully gorgeous and delicious chicken shawarma. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you 2 ways on how to prepare a chicken shawarma meal. I love you so much for watching, and